What is up, everybody? This is FNH News Vision Tutorial with a brand new video to talk about Fifine. Yes, I know I made a few Fifine video reviews on this channel, and I actually needed to purchase another lavalier mic. I don't know if I said that right. And I was like, oh, why not make a video on this? Because I actually have tested this product before in the past. I needed to purchase it for my friend who's also on this channel, and I was like, you know what? Let me make a review before we give it off to him. And yeah, so this is the wireless microphone style. This is the K037B version of it. So we're gonna get right into it. God dang it, I should have picked up the knife. I hate opening this in front of you guys. I feel like an embarrassment. Like, I have no nails. I can't open the damn box. Okay, I opened it. I feel like an embarrassment. Oh, god dang it. It's on both sides. Can I just like, let me just, god dang it. I apologize that I suck this much, guys. I do apologize. I am an embarrassment. All right, we're gonna, dun dun dun, grand opening. God dang it, it's not opening. Voila, the box is open. So Fifine always comes with like a really nice box. I actually overall love their quality of their boxes, how it comes in. You can see they gave the user manual on how to use it. It should be fine. And then you see they have like their, I think this is a new feature. I don't recall this, but it could be a thing. They have their website, they have the Facebook page, they have like all the different features to what it is and how it works. So getting into the mic itself, as you can see now, we have the mic itself over here. It has a few different features. You can have the head-on clip mic where you can, oops, sorry. Let me actually try to just see if I can pull it all out without breaking anything or screwing anything up. All right. I just want to pull everything out, put it on the side so I can show you each of the different pieces that it comes with, where to plug what, how everything basically works. Just putting all the boxes away. Okay. So we have the jack, the receiver, we have the wires, we have the headset, we have the transmitter as well, and as you can see, we have all the different, oh god dang it. We have all the different features that we need for this mic over here. So I personally don't use this feature, but it does come with the headset as well, where you can have it plugged in and be able to use this. You can have it plugged in with your headset receiver, and then again, you can use it from there, have it saved. Overall, the one I specifically use is this one. That's like something currently I'm using right now as well to like record this, but connected to my iPhone. This would be used as well. You have your receiver where you do need to put in, I believe, batteries. Yep. You do need to put in some batteries to have this connected. Again, you put it to whatever you're trying to have it like connect to. So I'll just show you as an example, because you put this on you. So you put this one on you, you turn it on, and then you record from here. Like you put this in your back pocket or wherever you want, or in your pocket, and then you put the receiver in the other end. Like I would put this in the iPhone, let's just say, and it would record my voice. Well, I do remember this is a jack, so an Android phone may be better, but you can put it to an iPhone obviously with the converter as well. But yeah, you would put this like in an iPhone or something. So just to show you as an example, you would have this plugged in, and then you would put this, let's say, with another converter to the iPhone, 7 and up, I think they killed the jack with 7. So, or an Android phone, you just plug it in. So you would have that, and then again with this side, you would also have it plugged in your computer or your phone as well. And again, it's like I think they have. I feel like I'm missing one, maybe. Am I missing one? Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I put it right. So let's see. Because, yep, that's the transmitter. You plug that in. Oh, sorry, just to show you guys. Put the batteries in. You got to put the batteries in both of them as well. Yep, I remember that. Yep, see, yep. Oh yeah, see, I did say it right. So you have that plugged in. You plug that into the phone. Oh yeah, so I was right. I'm sorry, I didn't mess anything up. So this portion, you plug it in here. Again, I'm sorry, it's been a while. I haven't been like using this one as much because I've been recording a lot at home. I'm probably gonna start using this with my friend, his as well and mine. I think he got another one as well. So you basically, so this is your features. You have this, you have the jack connector. You plug this into your iPhone or your phone or wherever you're trying to put it to, your camera, your phone, whatever the situation is. This is the transmitter itself, or like where you, I guess, turn it on your phone. This one, you have it on you. You put this in your back pocket, you turn it on, you turn on the frequency, you have it on, it's connected to the thing. Obviously do a couple of test drives first. If it's a like auditorium, whatnot, and you have this connected to like a speakerphone, obviously you would use the headphones. If not this, you would use this one. like I said, so let me just open it to show you guys. You would use this one, which is what I am personally going to use it for. You would connect it to your shirt or whatever you're wearing. You would have this connected in instead. So just to pull this out, all right, see, and then you just clip this on yourself, and boom, you have this, and you have it connected. Again, I'm going to be personally using this, not that. I'm not doing like a stage, auditorium, or anything specific like that. So for me, this works out. That's what I'm going to go for, and that's what the product. That's what I'm going to be essentially using it for. It works out for me. Obviously, everyone has different needs and purposes on how they want to use it, how they want to utilize it. So that's on them. But again, this works for me, and that's what I'm going to go for. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a review because overall the quality is very good. You may have seen some of my videos that I've used this product for, or my friend has, because I know we used to rotate it. That's why I purchased another one so we can have like our own thing. We want to try to make a lot of more videos outside, away from like indoors. We're trying to like have different plans for what to make on, but that's why we would purchase another set. Got to buy the batteries and whatnot, but still overall it's very good quality, very cheap price. It's only $35. There's other products out there that I may purchase later in the future. I like Bio, I think that's what it's called. It's like $60, some are $70, some are a couple $100. Some go even more. Obviously, we're not at that professional range yet, so we're sticking into this specific range. Again, it's good quality, low budget, and it works very good. So that's why I would highly recommend this product. Everything will be in the description below. You guys can check it out. You can check out my YouTube gear as well. You can see like the different items I have, I use, I don't use. Everything is in the description if you ever want to take a look. So yeah, overall, let me know your thoughts below. If you guys ever use this product, or if you're going to use this product, or if you don't, what do you use? Let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, overall, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. And other than that, FNH out. Peace.